remember me? I'm Funds. Welcome to the fantastic world of saving money. Today's mission is super cool. We'll learn all about saving money so you can get those cool things you've been dreaming of. What are some ways to earn money? Here are some ideas. You can earn money by doing chores at home, starting your own little business, or even helping with a job when you're older. Let's learn some important words. Savings is money set aside for something you want to buy or do. It's like a secret stash of money for special things. Your allowance is money given on a regular basis, usually for chores, and your budget is a plan for spending money. Now it's the fun part. What are some amazing things you want to save your money for? Wow, look at all these incredible things. Toys, games, cars, vacations, sneakers, houses, phones, and bikes. The possibilities are endless. Saving money is like planting seeds for a bright future, and it has some cool perks. It helps you buy bigger and better things. Plus, when you save, your money can grow. Imagine that. Now let's get down to business, or should I say, saving. Here's what you do. Set a goal. Decide what you really want to save for. And make a plan. Figure out how much money you need to save and how long it'll take. Save. Put your money aside in your special savings jar, piggy bank, or maybe even a treasure chest. It's activity time. Let's create a budget together. Imagine all the fantastic things you can save for. Let's help Alex create a budget. Alex has some money and wants to save up for a new toy and enjoy some ice cream treats. Let's start by writing down what Alex wants to save for. In our budget, we have two things: a new toy and some delicious ice cream treats. Now we need to figure out how much money to save for each. For the new toy, we need $10. And for the ice cream treats, let's put aside $5. Great! Now that we have our budget, we can start saving. Every time Alex gets some money, we'll put it into our special savings jar. See how our savings is growing? It's like magic. And that's how we create a budget and save for special things like a new toy and yummy ice cream treats. Now that we've learned about saving money, it's time to explore the joys of giving and sharing. Sharing with friends and family is a fantastic way to spread happiness and create wonderful memories together. In our next adventure, we'll discover the happiness that comes from sharing our treasures with the people we care about. Get ready for a heartwarming journey of giving and sharing. See you in our next lesson.